Look at these people: Gwyneth Paltrow, Angelina Jolie, Buzz Aldrin, Jim Carrey, Anne Hathaway, Princess Diana. What unites all of them? You are right. They are all famous, rich, successful and beautiful, but there is something else that makes them similar. They have all experienced one problem, the name for which is depression. People started thinking about their health long time ago. There is no need in describing why our health is important. However, we usually take the physical part of our health into consideration. But there is one more part: mental. Mental health affects us all. In fact, it influences not only how people feel, it affects their energy levels, concentration, motivation, emotions and social relationships. It affects our ability to make the most of the opportunities that come our way and play a full part amongst our family, workplace, community and friends. Depression has afflicted humans for as long as records have been kept. Indeed, it was first named as a condition about 2,400 years ago by the famous ancient Greek doctor Hippocrates, who called it melancholia. The causes of depression are likely to be different for different people. Sometimes a depressive episode can appear to come out of nowhere at a time when everything seems to be fine. Depression has many possible causes. 1. Genetic factors. There may be specific genes that cause clinical depression to develop within certain families and not in others. 2. Biological factors. Depression is associated with changes in the activity of certain brain chemicals known as neurotransmitters, which affect our mood and thinking. 3. Environmental factors: stress, traumatic events, childhood difficulties, etc. Depression ranges in seriousness from mild, temporary episodes of sadness to severe, persistent depression. There are different depression types, the most common of which are major depression, which characterized by the presence of one pole, depressed mood. Seasonal affective disorder: SAD is a mood disorder in which people who have normal mental health throughout most of the year experience depressive symptoms in the winter or summer. Postpartum depression (PPD), also called postnatal depression, is a type of clinical depression which can affect both sexes after childbirth. Here, we've come up with 10 practical ways to take care of your mental health. 1. Talking about your feelings isn't a sign of weakness. It is part of taking charge of your well-being. 2. Be active. Experts believe exercise releases chemicals in your brain that make you feel good. 3. Eat well. There are strong links between what we eat and how we feel. For example, caffeine and sugar can have an immediate effect. 4. Keep in touch. Strong family ties and supportive friends can help you deal with the stresses of life. 5. Ask for help. We all sometimes get tired or overwhelmed by how we feel when things go wrong. If things are getting too much for you and you feel you can't cope, ask for help. 6. Take a break. A change of scene or a change of pace is good for your mental health. It could be a 5-minute pause from cleaning your kitchen, a half-hour lunch break at work, or a weekend exploring somewhere new. 7. Do something you're good at. What do you love doing? What activities can you lose yourself in? What did you love doing in the past? Enjoying yourself helps beat stress. 8. Accept who you are. We're all different. It's much healthier to accept that you're unique than to wish you were more like someone else. 9. Care for others. Caring for others is often an important part of keeping up relationships with people close to you. In the present research work, an attempt to explore the nature of depression has been made. Some people still think that depression is trivial and not a genuine health condition. They're wrong. Depression is a real illness with real symptoms, and it's not a sign of weakness. It's something you can snap out of by pulling yourself together.